Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I am going to review soon. It's a new lifetime deal on AppSumo. As of now, I am recording this video. This tool just launched today, guys, and it's a Kanban-style employee scheduling software. They are claiming that it's an alternative of Tymeshift, Humanity, and Assemble, and it's best for any remote team basically who want to schedule their remote job. And they're saying that Soon is a collaborative employee scheduling software that helps you track, shift, manage, leave request, and streamline communication. So I hope you get some basic idea, guys, about this tool. And after some time, we will explore the tool in more detail. But before that, if you see the lifetime deal pricing of Soon on AppSumo, they are offering you up to license tier 3, guys, and depending on the number of users, these license tiers will be changed. So if you need 30 users, then you have to get this license tier 3, and if 5 users is enough for you, then you can get this license tier 1 at only 59 USD for your lifetime, and you can get at least 10% discount, guys, on this pricing. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on Soon lifetime deal. Now, without further ado, let's go to the dashboard of Soon and let's explore how things works on Soon. But before that, one thing I want to mention, guys, I have created a VIP lifetime deal discussion group on Facebook. This community is completely dedicated to discuss about various up-to-date lifetime deals available on the market. So if you are interested to join in such group, you are cordially invited to join. I will give the link of this group in the description and in the comment section of this video. Now this is the dashboard of Soon, and whenever you will log in or sign up, you will see something like that. And here you can create unlimited number of board. Let's say you have multiple team or you have multiple business, so you can create multiple board or multiple business board for your individual business or individual teams basically here. And here I have been created one board. Just click here new board, then you can create new board basically, but I'm not creating new board, so I will explode this board. So if I click here, see, here are the things, and it's very straightforward tool, guys. This tool is doing what it's saying to do basically. Here you can add all the scheduling. See, just click here on this plus icon, and then here select or give the title what is the occasion. Let's say the task is writing review, and then when, let's say, from 12:30 a.m. to 2 a.m., and then here let's say New York, and then you can add here sub location also if you want. Let's say the sub location is ABC, and add role. You can add role. See, I have created two role: admin and visitor and videographers. So let's say you want to add another role. So the role is, let's say, writer. So if you add here the new role, it will be added automatically here basically. After that, you can assign people. Just click here add people, and see, I have been added here 3 people. I will show you after some time how you can add more people as your team member. Just select the people who will be assigned to this work basically, and you can add a specific group also from here if you want. I'm not adding a specific group. And after doing these things, you can change the colors. Let's say this is the color. Select the color and then apply, and then just click outside, and see, this task has been created. And people who have been assigned to this work, if I open it, see, here are more details about this task. And see, here you can see the people who have been assigned to this work, and you can now assign these people. Just click here assign. After that, you can add here description. Let's say I will add some description here just for test purpose, guys. Let's say this is the description, and then just click here add. And let's say here you can see the people groups who have been added here, and you can see the activities of this specific task basically. And here, see, you can see the groups, and here one group is writer, and you can open this work for this group basically. And then if I go to this group section again, let's say I will open it, and then you can select here record people. Let's say the maximum record people is 3 or 4, and the minimum record people is 2. And here you can add new group also. Basically you can add comment. Let's say this is a comment, is a comment. So this comment will be shown to everyone. So these are the things, guys. And this tool is very straightforward, guys. You can see how many people you have been assigned from here, the duration of work, and the amount of time for scheduling, and location, unpaid break you can add from here. And then you can see the sub location, and you can see the map basically. So these are the things, guys. I hope you get idea. You can duplicate it from here. You can make a template from this task. You can save in this template as a PDF also. So these are the things. After adding everything, now you have to publish the event. If you publish the event, all your team members now can see this work, and then they can do this work depending on their scheduling basically. So these are the things, guys. You can add unlimited number of tasks from here. Just click here on this plus icon, and similarly you can add your task. I hope you get idea, guys, about this tool. Now there are more features available here. See, from here you can switch your boards. As in this dashboard I have only one board, that's why I'm seeing only one board. But if you have multiple board, you can see all your board from here basically. After that, if I click on this hamburger menu, you can see the scheduling things only for you. If I click here my scheduling, see, these are the things that has been scheduled for myself. And then there have board section. You can see all your boards from here. After that, they have leave. So if you have any leave scheduling, then you can see all your leaves here. Also you can add new leave. Let's say one leave for this person, and you can add new category from here. I'm not adding. And let's say the leave is for 3 to 4 June. And here you can select the time zone, and you can add a message here, and then just click here create. So this leave will be created. Now you can cancel any overlapping events also. Let's say this person have one schedule in this time period, so you can cancel these overlapping events basically from here. If they have any overlapping time, then it will be cancelled. Otherwise it will not be cancelled basically. So these are the things, guys. I hope you get idea. You can add leave for your employee basically from here, and you can create category of the leave from here. Suppose the first category is, let's say, sick. So just click here and it will be created. And the next category, let's say, travel, and this category will be selected also or created also. Now you can edit these things basically from here. Also you can add new category to these things basically. I hope you get idea, guys. See, I will add now a new category. Just click here, category. So maybe I cannot add any category right now, but if I add here a new leave, let me add here one new leave for this person, and see, from here I can add the category. And let's say the date for this leave is this one, and then just click here create and overlap these things, and then confirm. So it will be confirmed basically. I hope you get idea. You can add new leave for your clients or for your employee from here. So these are the things. You can see all request, the pending request, the unread request from here. So these are the things, guys, in this leave section. After that, they have users. So these are the section where you can add your users. See, I have been added 3 users here, and 2 users are invited. They haven't accepted the invitation yet. So you can resend the invitation from here, and the people who have been accepted the request, they will show here in this active section basically. You can create a specific group with some users, and you can create roles also from here. So these are the things. I hope you get idea, guys, about this tool. And this tool is pretty straightforward, and here have a lot of filter option, guys. And see, here have view option. Let's say if I select here week, you will see all the tasks for this week. And see, for this Oranjuti person, these are the tasks for this week. And this Imdadul Islam person, these are the tasks for this week. And you can see how many hours this person has to work this week. See, this person, the first one, has to work 30.42 hours for this week, and this second person have to work 33.58 hours for this week. So guys, I hope you get idea. and you can see the number of people, number of requests, and number of total work hour for this week basically from here. So these are the things, guys. Similarly, you can filter here depending on day, week, and month. And these are the things. And here in the mode section, here have hide all groups, hide all people, show actual times, then create week template, apply week template. So you can do these things. Basically, you can download the board from here also. And there have settings, so you can control the settings basically. And in the setting, there have the option to change the board name, to change the board description, and here I have users, so you can add users specifically into a board. After that, they have power up. So if I go to this power up section, here you can see the workload, and here basically you can install this workload extension. I'm not installing, but you can install if you want. After that, they have template. You can create template here, and then you can use this template again and again later basically. Just click here event template and you can create the template, and you can also set up a specific location for your further use here. So these are the things, guys, here, and I hope you get idea about this tool. This tool is pretty straightforward, and this tool is doing what it's saying to do. So guys, these are the reviews. If you think you need this type of employee scheduling tool for your business, then you can get this soon lifetime deal from AppSumo. They are running their lifetime deal on AppSumo. I will give the link of this soon lifetime deal in the description of this video. It's an affiliate link, guys. You can get at least 10% discount on this just by going through this link. So just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on soon lifetime deal. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, guys, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also, join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. If you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.